Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Get ready for the dictation. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. The petitioner Sheila Barse was a Bombay-based journalist who had sought permission to interview women prisoners in the Maharashtra jails. When she wanted to take tape recorded interview, she was asked to take down the notes only. Later, the petitioner was informed that grant of permission to have interview was a matter of discretion of the Inspector General, and such interviews are ordinarily allowed to research scholars only. Petitioner then made grievance over the withdrawal of the permission and pleaded that it is the citizens' rights to know if government is administering the jails in accordance with law. Petitioner's letter was treated as a writ petition under Article 32 of the Constitution. According to the petitioner, Articles 19(1)(a) and 21 guaranteed to every citizen reasonable access to information about the institution that formulate, enact, implement and enforce the laws of the land. It was argued that every citizen had a right to receive such information through public institutions, including the media, as it was physically impossible for every citizen to be informed about all issues of public importance individually and personally. She contended that as a journalist, she had the right to collect and disseminate information to citizens. The respondents opposed the petition, pleading that interview with prisoners was governed by the rules made in the Maharashtra Prison Manual, and since the petitioner did not satisfy the prescription, it was justified in revoking the permission for having interviews with prisoners. Also, it was submitted that normally the prison's authorities did not allow interviews with the prisoners unless the person seeking interview was a research scholar studying for PhD or intending to visit the prison as a part of his field work of curriculum prescribed for postgraduate course, etc. Further, it was submitted that there were no rules for permitting interviews except to the relatives and legal advisors for facilitating defense of prisoners. The state contended that if unguided and uncontrolled right of visit was provided to citizens, it would be difficult to maintain discipline, and the very purpose of keeping the delinquents in prison would be frustrated. The court held that Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution guaranteed to all citizens freedom of speech and expressions was not the point in issue, but the enlarged meaning given to the provisions of Article 21 by the court in a few earlier cases found relevance. The apex court stated that life in Article 21 had to be given an extended meaning, wherein those citizens who were detained in prisons either as under trials or as convicts were also entitled to the benefit of the guarantees subject to reasonable restrictions. The court observed that public gaze should be directed to such matters, and the pressmen, as friends of the society and public spirited citizens, should have access not only to information but also interviews. Therefore, court permitted public to prisons. The court, giving the dividing line, observed that citizens did not have any right either under Article 19(1) A or 21 to enter into the jails for collection of information, but in order that the guarantee of the fundamental right under Article 21 may be available to the citizens detained in the jails, it becomes necessary to permit citizens access to information as also interviews with prisoners. Interviews become necessary as otherwise the correct information may not be collected, but such access had to be controlled and regulated. Hence, petitioner's claim that she was entitled to uncontrolled interview was not accepted. The court held that there may be cases where such tape recording was necessary, but court made it clear that tape recording should be subject to special permission of the appropriate authority, and hence the petitioner was directed to make an application to the prescribed authority for the requisite permission, which was to be dealt by the authorities in the light of the guidelines laid down in the case.